guys, welcome back to my channel, Familia. Today I'm so happy because today is my birthday and I'm 7 years old. My family made a lot of things for me. My birthday theme is Spiderman. Let's start the work. My sisters made Spiderman banner for me. Here is goodie bags for all kids. My sisters packed gifts for me. My mother decorated a jar. Now she is making props. Now she's making Spiderman. My mom made spider theme cake herself. Mummy's spider cake is ready. Now she is making Oreo spiders. On this wall we're making birthday backdrop. In Qatar, and he's sending me this surprise and my birthday. Here is a beautiful card and yummy cupcakes. Happy birthday to you, my husband. Touching Muhammad's name Allah. Qatar. Look at this. Greetings. Trophy. Finally, we completed all work. opened my birthday gifts and I liked a lot. I was so happy because my sister gave me my favorite gift. I gave goodie bags to all kids. After this, we played Spider game and my cousin won. I hope you like my video. Like, subscribe and share my video. Bye!